We are making some videos on grammar section for all students and who wish to learn English. We made two videos on grammar section. From today, we are going some videos which are useful for all students and new learner. In the last video, we study about alphabets. Alphabets are called letters. There are 26 letters in English. Those are A to Z letters. We saw the type of letters, capital letter and small letter. Now, today we shall study more about letters. Those 26 letters are divided in two parts. 26 letters are A, B, C, D, A to Z letters. Those are written in small letters. From those letters, 5 letters are called vowels, and remaining 21 letters are called consonants. Now I write on the blackboard 5 letters which are vowels. A, E, I, O and U. We make any word with the help of from these 5 letters including them. For example, A, N, T. In the ant word there is a vowel. C, A, P. In cat word there is a vowel A. C, U, P. In cup word there is a vowel U. As this way, any word has at least a single vowel in the word, and then it complete. Without including any vowel, any word cannot make. As this way, second part of vowel is letters is consonant. Remaining 21 leaving A, I, O, U letters, remaining 21 letters are called consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These all letters are called consonants. This way, we knew that 26 letters are divided in two parts. First part is called vowels and second part is called consonants. Now study and keep in your mind which are vowels and which are consonants. We studied vowels. These 5 letters are vowels A, E, I, O, U. Now students, I give you some examples to study you. Circle the vowels in the words given below and find out which is the vowel. C, A, T. In the cat word, there is a vowel letter A. You have to circle the A letter. Now circle next vowels in the word B-E-D bed, Z-I-P-G, D-O-Z dog, P-U-S bus, A-N-T ant, O-W-L owl, E-double-G egg, socks, S-O-C-K-S, socks, hay, H-E-N hay, V-A-N van, W-E-L-L whale, C-O-P cup, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T elephant, H-O-U-S-E house, R-A-B-B-I-T rabbit. Find out the vowel and circle them in the word given to study you. Students, you study about consonants. There are 21 consonants from the letters A to Z. Read aloud the consonants which are on the blackboard. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. Now, I give you some examples to find out consonant in the words. Circle them. Circle the consonants in the words given below. Here are some examples. K-E-Y. In the keyword, there are two consonants, K and Y. E is vowel. E is not to circle. Only consonants are to circle. K and Y. Circle these two letters. Second number example. The word is spot. Find out the consonants and circle them. Jeep. Sun. Jam. Bus. Cow. Mat. Hill. Ten. Queen. Yes. Read all words carefully and circle consonants which are in